In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, some months ago, Apple Intelligence has been released and it can be used in conjunction with Siri and all of the features on your iPhone, and it helps you use it with ease, access all of those features, and it can take requests. It is essentially AI. So, can you use it on an iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max? The main way to enable it is by getting the pop-up like this, tapping continue after you update to iOS 18, and when you go over to the settings on this particular iOS version or later, you will find Apple Intelligence and Siri available. So under the settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and all that you have to do is enable it. Now the problem becomes, if you try to update your iPhone 11 to iOS 18, even though you might be able to do this, after you go into these settings, you won't be able to find Apple Intelligence and Siri, even if you are running the latest iOS version. So why is this? Is there some sort of workaround? Well, if we visit the official Apple website, so support.apple.com, you can clearly see that they have to say here, how to get Apple Intelligence. They teach you how to get started, and they mention iOS 18, which is a clear requirement. And then under the later requirements, they have iPhone 16 models, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any iPad with a 17 Pro or M1, Mac with M1 or later, and finally Apple Vision Pro. You can clearly tell from these requirements that the Apple iPhone 11 is not mentioned. The only iPhones they mention are the 16 models, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. They also mention some iPads and Macs, but that's not relevant for this video. Basically, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that it is impossible to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. They simply do not have the hardware needed. Because this is a hardware limitation, you cannot simply perform an update to get Apple Intelligence. You literally have to replace your phone. Because their hardware is not powerful enough, Apple Intelligence is not able to be used on these devices. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Apple Intelligence is not available for the iPhone 11 line. And if you find any videos that claim that you are able to do this, they are not telling the truth. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.